Hello, in this video I want to show you how to disassemble Harder Steenbeck Ultra 2024. And to do this, let's start with the trigger. First we'll need to unscrew the back right here, and you need to simply unscrew it to the left. Then we need to remove the needle, and you need to unscrew this thing right here. Safely remove the needle and try to be careful not to damage it. Then we can move on to the trigger, and you can leave that thing if you like. I'm gonna remove it like this. It just pops out like that. Now we just need to unscrew this thing, and it goes really hard, so I'm gonna use something to hold it. So now we just need to unscrew it to the left, place it like that, and then remove this thing with a spring. And the trigger should come out just like that. And that is basically whole back removed. Now we can move on to the nozzle and simply screw it to the left again. And inside there's the nozzle thing, this, and finally the cap. And here's the Harder Steenbeck 2024 Ultra fully disassembled. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.